job. Get down in the car, one time give it all. Bust it open hard, let me see you drop.
That is one leaky sump. Oh, I want to get out from under this. Fucking hell. It's a leak and a half in it, that. This is some leak. You've seen me drain the oil, you've seen me gather all the parts I've got to fit, I'm now just trying to figure out which order I'm going to do this in, because the sun is going to be messy and it's a Saturday night at 8:30. Do I want to get covered in oil? No, I don't think so. So I might start with the exhaust, get this new air filter, oil filter on, and then depending on how much time I've got left, I'll start with this brand new sump. Yeah, that's my plan. Brilliant. Just not videoed me snapping the one off the exhaust clamp off. Well, it's off. Right, I'll try and get that hanger off up there. I'll be attacking either of them. Then I'll figure out which side to attack. to the back on. One previously snapped, 3 snapped this time. 7. I started this video, well, this recording and trying to get the exhaust off at 8:30. It is now 10 past 10, and I've got the exhaust off. I've done the air filter because I had to have a break, but I've got the exhaust off. There's part of it. You can't see that. There's part of it. And then the other part is there. I tried like knocking this off here and I was just crumpling the back box. And I tried sort of splitting it here. And that didn't seem to do anything either. So I just hacksawed through the end, which you will have seen. But I can't believe it's taken me so long to get that off. So literally I've got the sump. I've got the sump left to take off, fit the new one, and then put it all back together. Hopefully it won't take me an hour and a half to put it back together, but I've had enough for tonight. And relevant, should have just beaten it, which I have beaten the life out of it, to be honest. It's absolutely ruined me. Some of this is oil, some of it's just general car dirt, absolute filth.